Hi, today I'm going to show how you can create a video ad from Facebook Ads Manager. Just open your Ads Manager, then click the Create tab to create a new campaign. Here you can choose your campaign objective. So I'm going to select engagement, then click Continue button. So we are on campaign creation window and it's a campaign level. Now you can give your campaign name here, any name you can give. Then click the next button to continue. So we are on ad set level. Here you can give any ad set name. Then scroll down, you will see conversion location here. Messaging application is already selected. We need to change this to on your ad option. Just click and select on your ad. Then you will get the secondary option. Make sure the video views is already selected or no. So it's already selected. So I'll scroll down. Then here you can put your daily budget or lifetime budget. Then here you can select the start date and end date. You can set. Scroll down. Here you can select your location where your ad you want to run. Scroll down. So here audience option is available. If you want to target your specific audience, you can click the switch to original audience option. Then here you will have option for custom audience or saved audience or lookalike audience. Here you can select the location. If you didn't select, then some other option here: age, gender, detail targeting. Detail targeting, you can target your audience again here for interest, demographic or behavior. Language also you can set here. Scroll down, you will see the placement option here. Automatic placement is already selected. I will recommend use the manual placement option to get the better result. Scroll down, here all placements are selected. I'm going to off the Instagram option. Then audience network also I will off. Here you can see Facebook feed. So Facebook feed placement is already okay with our content because we are going to put the video ad. The dimension is 4:5. Already I created the video, so I'm going to select the video feed also for the Facebook video feed. Then also the marketplace is selected because this is also same dimension for the video. Then stories and reels is different dimension because 9:16 is the ratio. Here is different. You can see now here 4:5 is the ratio. So I'm going to deselect the stories and reels, and in stream also I deselected because this is also different dimension. Search result also different dimension. So 3 placements already selected. Now I'm going to hit the next button to continue. So we are here on the ad level. So here you can put the ad name, any name you can put. Then scroll down, you can see the create ad option. You can create a new ad from here, or you can use the existing post from your page. If you have already video on your page, you can use the video from your page. Now I'm going to use the create ad option to create a new ad from here. Scroll down, you will have the option to add your media. Click on the add video option from here. Then you can upload the video from your system. I already uploaded here, so I'm going to select this. Once you upload, it will come here, so you just need to click and select. Then click the next button to continue. If you want to trim your video, you can trim from here, but I don't want because I already set my video editing is already done. So I'm going to click the next button to continue. There is some cropping options also here. I'm going to use my default option, original video, because I already created this video in same dimension for the ad. So I'm going to click next button to continue. So it's already done. You can see how the preview is available here. So I'm going to click the done button to continue. So you can see here it's already created the ad, and you can see how it will look. I put only one sample video here. In reality, when you creating campaign, you need to put the correct video for your ad. And also if you want to put some primary text, you can type here. You can see it will show on the top of your video, or if it is the mobile section, it will go in the bottom section here. So you can add some primary text also if you want. So I'm going to delete now the primary text. So you can see the preview also here, how it will look on the mobile from Facebook feed. And this is for marketplace, and this is for video feed, Facebook video feed. So one more time, make sure everything is correct or no, your settings. So ad level also fine. So now you can finally publish your ad. To click the publish button, so it's publishing. Okay, it's already published. Now we can see. So ad already published and it's processing. I'm going to click the ad and click the preview button to preview the ad, so you can see the preview for the ad also here. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you again.